Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and this is the Creator Edition, so you get a bunch of other extra goodies as well, like the extra light, the media mod with the mic, as well as the Volta grip. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so taking a look at the back of the box, you see the specs of the GoPro Hero 12 Black itself, as well as what you can expect with the standard purchase of a Hero Black 12 over here, and then all the extra goodies that you get, like the Volta grip, the media mod, and the light mod, and how it all sort of comes together to give you this full setup. Alright, so let's peel off this extra packaging. So just like this. You can just slide out this really nice carry case that they give you. I gotta say, the carry case for this is actually really nice, and it's a little bit bigger than the carry case that I got with my GoPro Hero 10 Black. Now, unzipping it from here. And there you go. The first thing you'll see is a little notice here that says that the Creator Edition must be updated before you can actually use it. And it gives you a little QR code here to scan to actually update your camera. Let's set this aside here. And I gotta say, I always love the way that GoPro actually packages these things, because you get a nice little frame as well inside the box that allows you to place everything nicely and neatly. And the first thing you'll notice right off the bat is the media mod, which is actually this really nice case that actually protects the GoPro and gives you the mic capabilities. And I think the actual windshield is somewhere inside. But yeah, this is really nice, and it attaches on top of the GoPro, and you can pretty much use it like that. Next, we've got the light mod, which I believe you can just charge. And yeah, that's it turned on. And there's different brightness settings, which is really nice. You can have it on the brightest setting. And yeah, also does that too, which is interesting. Little SOS signal for you, but yeah, that's the light mod. And let's see what this is. Okay, so yeah, this is the Enduro battery for the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And let's set this aside. And actually, let's have a look at the GoPro itself. So again, it just reminds you that your camera must be updated before you can use it. Ah, damn it. Okay, so I kind of messed that up, but that's a, wow, okay. I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, so I will mention that this did not come off as cleanly as it should have. Yeah, I think GoPro should probably fix that, and it was totally not my fault at all. All right, let's get this one off too. Okay, that came off way easier. And final piece here that needs to come off. And here you have it, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And right off the bat, I do want to say that I really like the blue speckled effect they've got along the body of this camera. It really does make it pop a little bit more, especially since the previous models were just plain black. In fact, let me just pull out my GoPro Hero 10 Black. And yeah, like I said, all of the previous GoPros were just kind of a solid plain black, but I really do like that the GoPro Hero 12 Black has the speckled blue effect. But yeah, again, size-wise, they look pretty similar, with the 12 Black actually looking a little bit slimmer than the 10 Black. But yeah, this is the wind muff for the mic, and it sort of just attaches like so. And yeah, it looks pretty decent. You also get a bunch of mounting options as well, so you can mount this however you like, on whatever you like. You actually get two cables here, so yeah, I think one is also for the Volta grip, and one is for the GoPro itself. So let's take a look at that Volta grip. Alright, so this is the battery grip for the Hero 12, and I gotta say, it's a very premium feeling battery grip, and it will add up to about 5.5 hours of 4K recording when combined with your GoPro, so that is a nice added benefit there too. So this just connects straight into the GoPro's USB-C port, and yeah, you can also charge this with a cable. And again, it feels really good. It's got a nice strap as well, which you can adjust to place around your wrist, and just give you that extra added security. But yeah, it's pretty decent. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's all set up and ready to go. And I honestly can't wait to test this camera out. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe for more content. But yeah, looks like we're out of time, and this has been it for the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again. Bye.